Navigating the future of project management. Key trends and innovations. Project management has undergone significant changes over the years, evolving from rigid traditional methodologies to more adaptive and flexible approaches. This evolution reflects the growing complexity of projects and the need for more dynamic management techniques. Agile methodologies have gained prominence due to their iterative nature, allowing teams to respond swiftly to changes. Emphasizing collaboration and customer feedback, Agile has revolutionized project management, making it more adaptable and efficient in delivering results. The shift to remote work has transformed project management, with virtual teams becoming the norm. Advanced communication tools and strategies are now essential to maintain productivity and cohesion among dispersed team members, ensuring seamless collaboration. Artificial intelligence is increasingly integrated into project management tools, automating routine tasks and providing predictive analytics. This technology enhances decision-making, optimizes resource allocation, and improves overall project efficiency, allowing managers to focus on strategic aspects. Blockchain technology offers unprecedented transparency in project management. By providing immutable records, it ensures accountability and trust among stakeholders. This innovation fosters a more transparent and secure project environment, reducing the risk of fraud and errors. Data-driven decision-making leverages vast amounts of data to inform project management strategies, enhancing accuracy and efficiency. By analyzing trends and patterns, managers can make informed choices, optimize resource allocation, and improve overall project outcomes. The importance of soft skills in project management cannot be overstated. Effective communication, empathy, and leadership are crucial for fostering team collaboration, resolving conflicts, and ensuring that project goals are met. These skills complement technical expertise. Integrating IoT in project tracking provides real-time insights into various project elements. Smart devices and sensors gather data, enabling managers to monitor progress, track assets, and optimize workflows, which leads to more efficient project execution. Sustainability and green project management practices focus on minimizing environmental impact. Incorporating eco-friendly materials, reducing waste, and promoting energy efficiency are essential steps. These practices not only benefit the planet but also enhance project reputation. Hybrid project management approaches combine traditional and agile methodologies, offering flexibility and structure. This blend allows teams to adapt to changing requirements while maintaining a clear framework, thus optimizing project delivery and stakeholder satisfaction. Cybersecurity has become integral to project management due to increasing data breaches. Protecting sensitive project information from cyber threats ensures smoother execution and builds stakeholder trust, emphasizing the need for robust security protocols and regular vulnerability assessments. Cloud-based project management solutions offer flexibility and scalability, making collaboration more seamless. These platforms enable real-time updates, resource sharing, and access from anywhere, significantly enhancing team productivity and efficiency while reducing overhead costs. The growing demand for project management certifications highlights the importance of formal training. Accredited programs provide professionals with essential skills and knowledge, boosting their career prospects and ensuring that projects are managed according to industry best practices. The advent of 5G technology promises to revolutionize project communication. With faster data transfer speeds and lower latency, teams can collaborate more effectively, enabling real-time updates and decision-making, thereby enhancing overall project efficiency and responsiveness. Real-time collaboration tools have transformed how teams work together. These tools facilitate instantaneous communication, document sharing, and progress tracking, ensuring that all team members are aligned, reducing misunderstandings, and speeding up project delivery timelines. Stakeholder engagement is critical for project success. Engaging stakeholders early and often ensures their needs are met, fostering trust and collaboration. Effective communication and active listening help address concerns and align goals, ultimately driving project momentum and satisfaction. Predictive analytics revolutionizes project management by providing actionable insights. Analyzing historical data and trends helps foresee potential issues and opportunities. This foresight enables proactive decision-making, optimizing resource allocation and improving the likelihood of project success, reducing risks significantly. Enhanced risk management techniques are vital in today's dynamic project environments. Integrating advanced methodologies like quantitative risk analysis and scenario planning allows teams to identify, assess, and mitigate risks more effectively. This proactive approach ensures projects stay on track and within budget. Lean project management emphasizes efficiency and value. By eliminating waste and focusing on delivering maximum value, teams can streamline processes and enhance productivity. Continuous improvement and a customer-centric approach drive better outcomes and higher satisfaction, making Lean a preferred methodology. Gamification in project management training boosts engagement and learning. By incorporating game elements like points, badges, and leaderboards, training becomes interactive and fun. This approach increases retention, motivation, and skill acquisition, preparing teams to excel in complex project environments. Social media has transformed project marketing by enabling real-time engagement with stakeholders. Project managers now leverage platforms like LinkedIn and Twitter to share updates, gather feedback, and build community support, making marketing more interactive and immediate. Advanced resource management strategies involve using sophisticated tools to allocate and optimize resources effectively. By analyzing data and forecasting needs, project managers ensure that teams have the right skills and materials at the right time, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Virtual reality offers immersive project visualization, allowing stakeholders to experience projects before completion. This technology aids in identifying potential issues, improving design accuracy, and fostering better communication among team members by providing a tangible sense of the project's final outcome. Big data plays a pivotal role in project planning by offering insights through extensive data analysis. By identifying trends, risks, and opportunities, project managers make informed decisions, ensuring projects are on track and resources are optimally utilized. Digital twin technology creates a virtual replica of physical assets, enabling real-time monitoring and analysis. This innovation helps project managers predict maintenance needs, optimize performance, and improve project outcomes by providing a comprehensive view of the project's lifecycle. In today's interconnected world, cultural sensitivity is paramount for global projects. Understanding and respecting cultural differences can enhance communication, foster collaboration, and ensure project success. Tailoring your approach to diverse teams can mitigate misunderstandings and build stronger relationships. The future of project management software lies in its ability to adapt and evolve. Emerging technologies like AI, blockchain, and IoT will drive innovation. Customizable, user-friendly interfaces and seamless integration with other tools will be essential for efficiency. Ethical considerations in project management are increasingly important. Upholding integrity, transparency, and fairness can build trust with stakeholders. Ethical dilemmas must be addressed proactively, ensuring that projects align with organizational values and contribute positively to society. Continuous learning and adaptation are crucial in the project management field. Staying updated with industry trends and best practices will enhance your skills. Investing in professional development can ensure you remain competitive and capable of navigating future challenges. Preparing for the future of project management involves embracing change and innovation. Fostering a culture of adaptability within teams can lead to more resilient projects. By prioritizing continuous improvement, you can stay ahead in an ever-evolving landscape. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.